Hi there, I'm Mellie Beane, and in this video we are going to learn how to draw a golden retriever. So let's start drawing. Okay, so get yourself an erasable pencil of some sort and kind of start drawing a square that is tilted just a little bit. This is going to be the dog's face. Now draw a little line just from the bottom, and that'll make like a little rectangle on the bottom of your square. And now draw a triangle going down from that line. Now in between that little rectangle, draw a triangle going down again. Now we're going to draw, if you turn your paper upside down, from the top of the triangle, we're going to start drawing like a little upside down heart. Now we're going to draw triangles on each side of the square. Now draw a U shape going from the bottom of that little rectangle all the way to the other side, and a little line meeting the heart. Now draw a little U shape going down from the bottom of the heart, and that's the dog's tongue. Draw a line across the square and down the middle of the square. Now on each line, draw one circle on each side for the dog's eyes. Then you can draw another little circle in the middle of that and try to make it the same on each eye. Draw a little line on the top and the bottom of the eye. Now you're going to draw the body. Just kind of make the shape of a body there. And then now we're going to start rounding out the top of the head and all the other features. Round out the ears, so make them more curved and not so sharp looking. Just like how I'm doing. And then round out the nose. And then do a little swirl at the bottom of each side to make the nostrils of the dog. Now round out the mouth. Round out the sides of the face. Now I'm going to erase any unneeded lines that we used for guides, so go ahead and do that on your drawing also. Erasing those lines in the middle that we drew, and the ones on the side of the face. Because we don't need these lines anymore, because we're going to color. I'm just fixing the bottom of the dog's face, rounding it a little bit more. Okay, now we're going to get a yellow and start coloring the dog's face, and kind of try to draw like you're drawing hair. And just kind of fill it all in with yellow, or at least most of it. A little bit of yellow on the body of the dog, erasing those lines. If you need to pause the video at any minute, just go ahead and do that so you can catch up. Now I'm going to use a brown, and this is kind of a reddish brown, and I'm going to go under the bottom of the dog's face to make a shadow and draw more wavy hair, and around the side a little bit. This is just to create shadows. And a little bit on each side of the dog's face and above the eyes. And a little on the ears. Now we're going to do some of that brown on the dog's muzzle and just do little dots. And then some dark brown on the eye, and leave that middle circle that you did before, just leave it as it is. Kind of fill in the nostrils with the dark brown. And do some of the dark brown dots on the dog's muzzle. Now we're going to get a light pink and fill in the dog's nose. If you don't have a light pink, you can use a different shade of pink, or even brown, and color in the dog's tongue. Then I'm using a dark gray here to fill in the dog's mouth. And of course, remember, you can always use different colors than me, whatever colors that you want to use and whatever colors that you have. Your drawings don't have to be just like mine. The important thing is that your drawings are yours. Now I'm going to fill in the pupil with black. And now I'm getting a gold gel pen, and I'm going to kind of squiggle it around the edge and draw like it's hair, just to create some details. I like to use gel pens for details. And scribble on the top of the head to make it look like hair, and then down on the other ears, or ear, and on the sides of the face. Do you have a dog? What kind of dog do you have? Do you have a golden retriever? I have a miniature schnauzer, and I am going to do one of those tutorials too. And then on the sides of the face again, right there. And around the bottom of the face. And around the muzzle. On the top of the nose, around the nostrils. And now on the body. Just kind of follow the dark hair and go around that, and then you're going to follow the light hair. But I'm going to fill in this a little bit more here with the yellow. I'm going around the tongue. Basically, we're just outlining everything. A little line in the middle. Go ahead and go around all those hairs, the dark. And just kind of squiggle, squiggle. Squiggle, squiggle, squiggle with your pen. And now I'm going to put a little bit of white on each eye. I couldn't find my white gel pen for this, so I'm just going to use some paint. Just to put a little light in his eyes. That's better. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. And I would love to know what kind of dog you have or what your favorite kind of dog is, so let me know in the comments. I would love to hear. Bye.